Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chat backgrounds on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Snapchat application to open it up. And then if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log in. Now after logging into your account, if you wish to change the chat background for any of your chats, go ahead and tap on the Chats menu at the bottom section. Now from the Chats menu, simply open up the chat for which you want to change your background and then tap on the username. Now from the username page, you will find the wallpaper option underneath our chat. Go ahead and tap on wallpaper and you can use any of the themes that are available from Snapchat, and you can also use pictures from your phone or ones that have appeared in your chat. After selecting any one of the picture that you want to use, simply tap on the confirm button and now your chat wallpaper or background will directly be applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your chat background or wallpaper on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.